Hey everybody, so let's go over a couple things quickly. First things first, if your feet are moving, this chain brake should be on. You don't want to trip and fall with that chain brake off and end up cutting yourself. So you make a cut, chain brake goes on, you move, you make take the chain brake off, make your next cut. Second thing is, when you're running the saw, make sure you've got a good grip on it, like this, power stance, both hands on the saw all the time when you're cutting. So if you want your arm just about locked, so if it does kick back, you can catch it, kind of thing, and you're holding it. I like to put it into my hip a lot of the time, and it really keeps it from kicking back if you do end up getting that tip into somewhere it's not supposed to be. A lot of the times when you're cutting in a pile like this, you have to be really conscious of where the tip's going to end up. So while you're making your cut, you just, you're going over the back side of the log, make sure that that tip's not going to wind up in another log in the kickback zone there and send the saw shooting back towards you. You don't want that. And I think as far as cutting the actual logs up, safety tips, that's all I can think of off the top of my head. So we'll start bucking up some wood here in a minute and try to get this pile knocked down, and then we can get into some splitting. All right. Okay, so I made my first cuts here, but you don't want to rock your saw, so you don't want to go all the way down into the dirt there. I mean, it's possible to feather your way through it, but what I like to do is just, get it almost through, and then just come along and roll the log over a bit. You can see I cut all the way through here without actually getting into the dirt, so that's good. Roll these ones over. There you go. Now you can finish your cut, and your saw should still be sharp. Finish these cuts here.